Number 202, the sum of two integers is 74. If their difference is 26, what is the bigger number? Okay, so pause first and try to answer. So the choices are 24, 38, 48, 46, and 50. Okay, so the sum of two integers is 74. If their difference is 26, what is the bigger number? So let x be the bigger number. Okay, so bigger number, and let y be the smaller number. Okay, and then we form the equations. So the condition is the sum. The sum of two integers is 74. So we add the two integers. So we have x plus y equals 74. So this will be our equation number 1. And then if their difference is 26. So the second equation, their difference, so x minus y equals 26. So this will be the equation number 2. So we are looking for the bigger number. Bigger number is x. So just solve for x in these two equations. So to solve for x, we can simply add the two equations. Okay, so just add the two equations. So we have x plus x, so that's equal to 2x. Positive y minus y, so this will cancel out. That is equal to 0. Equals 74 plus 26. So 4 plus 6, that is equal to 10. 1 plus 7 is 8. Plus 2, we have 10. And then 2x equals 100. So divide both sides by 2. So therefore, the value of x is equal to 100 divided by 2. That is equal to 50. So the correct answer is letter A, 50. Okay, so let us verify if our answer is correct. So let us solve the smaller number. So to solve for a smaller number, just substitute 50 to equation 1 or equation 2. So let's choose equation number 1. So we have x plus y equals 74. So the value of x is 50. So we have 50 plus y is equal to 74. So subtract 50 to both sides. So the value of y is equal to 74 minus 50. That is equal to 24. So to verify if our answer is correct, so we have 50 plus 24 equals 74. And then if we subtract this, 50 minus 24 equals 26. So the two conditions are satisfied. The sum is of two integers is 74 and their difference is 26. 74 and 26. Follow me for more content like this. Sa mga nagre-review para sa civil service exam, pwede po kayong mag-join sa aking review. Meron po tayong review para sa Math and Logic via Zoom for only 50 pesos. So ano yung mga kasama dyan sa 50 pesos? Meron tayong 10 sessions, February 10 to 19, 2025, 7 p.m. onwards. So more or less mga 2 hours po yung bawat session natin. 10 sessions po yan, 10 to 19, 7 p.m. Okay, so meron tayong GC at exclusive FB group. Meron tayong Google Forms practice test. Sessions are recorded para kapag hindi kayo naka-attend, mapapanood nyo pa. I-upload ko po yan sa exclusive FB group natin. Okay, so ang session natin, Math and Logic lang, pero but we'll share reviewer on other subjects. So yung mga reviewer natin sa ibang subjects, i-upload ko po yan sa ating FB group. Yan po yung mga nasa Google Forms na practice test. So ito po yung mga example. Ito po yung mga example na Google Forms natin sa ibang subjects. So verbal ability, medyo marami na. May 13 na ako dyan. Numerical reasoning, Gen Info, Filipino, and then madadagdagan pa po yan. Okay, so bago mag-February 10 ay marami pa pong madadagdag dito ng mga Google Forms. At meron din akong mga reviewer yung kumpleto. So meron akong at least 2 sets mag-a-upload ako dito ng Google Form na kumpleto, 100 plus items yon yung kumpleto. Okay, so ano pang inaantay nyo? I-DM nyo na po ako sa aking messenger RJ Enseñado. Okay, so para malinaw po ha, ang 50 pesos po ay para sa 10 sessions na. So i-divide nyo sa 10, lumalabas 5 pesos lang per session. Okay, so PM nyo lang po ako para maka-join kayo.